you're experiencing an installation loop on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your console back to normal operation. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. The simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the Settings menu and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for any available updates. Installing the latest software can fix bugs that may be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Rebuild database. Start your console in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild database option. This process can help fix corrupted data that might be causing issues. Step 4. Free up storage space. Go to Settings, then Storage, and check how much space is available on your console. If storage is low, delete unnecessary games or applications to ensure there's enough space for installations. Step 5. Initialize PS5. If the previous steps haven't worked, consider initializing your PS5. Go to Settings, then System, and select Reset options. Choose Reset your console and follow the prompts. This will erase all data, so make sure to back up any important files first. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.